Hello guys, Axel here, and welcome to Soda. The other module will look like you'll have the nutrition facts, bonuses, sip and slurp, and a can of soda. So, depending on what you get, as the calorie count will decide what you end up doing for each of these. And since the calorie count is the same between both of them, the conditions will correspond to the same box in both tables. So let's just get started. So we're going to look at the calorie count. This one is 190. So we're going to look at 150 to 190 calories. And we're going to use this and this one. Add the amounts of fat, carbohydrates, and protein together. This is below it. So total fat is 4. Carbohydrates is 70. And protein is 1. We get 75. The rightmost digit of that number is the times the sip, so our sip number is 5. Our slurp number is going to be, get the number of modules on the bottom, we have 3. The rightmost digit of that number is total slurp, so our slurp number is 3. We can press sip and slurp in any order, and then click the can to submit. So let's just do all of them at once. And then we press the can, and we get a self-module. So we'll do another example. There's actually a noise for this again, but I keep on having this turned down so you can't hear me over it. Hopefully you'll pick up this time. So in this case, we have 250. 250 is 200 to 250. So in this case, add the amount of cholesterol and sodium together. Cholesterol is 7. Sodium is 65. Adding them together, we get 72. And divide the number by 10, 7.2. Round down to necessary, 7. So our sip amount is going to be 7. Our slurp amount. Subtract the amount of fat from the amount of protein. The amount of fat from the amount of protein. So protein minus fat is 8. So our slurp amount is 8 because this is a positive number. If it becomes negative, we wouldn't slurp it. So in the case of our other example, protein minus fat would be negative 3. So we now have our total again. So now let's press the buttons required amount. And we get our self-module. As you can see, I did the sort of back and forth sort of method that time, which also works. It's just the total number has to be correct for both of them by the end. Okay, final one for this one. If we have more than 250, we go 290. So for the sip number, we're going to sip once for each gram of protein in the drink. So our sip number is going to be 13, and our slurp number is don't slurp, so 0. So we're just going to sip 13 times. And we get our module. In the case of less than 150, in this case, we wouldn't sip it, and we'd only do slurps for slurping for each gram of fat in the drink. So this is a nice simple module. There's not much more to say about it. So hopefully you understand how soda works now. And I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. I'll see you later.